Allah diye min fengelik Taşım kuruşa balsa da dostluk Nefsimden yenilyen özüme gelir
Trying to find a reason to hate you, trying to make it easy on me. Can you hate my friends, stay out again, get reckless with my emotions? Trying to find a reason to hate you. Give me a reason, I need a reason. I'm asking you to be honest. Say something if you don't want this. I'm asking you, can we call it what it is? 'Cause I can't feel you drifting, feel you hurting, feel you faking it for me, but we can't do